course.
I'd go big bad Michael Bowdy.
Oh, Powley.
Yeah, Paolo, Aaron Bremen, I think those two would really battle it out. Couple of strong men.
Couple of big noodles. Probably Mitch Hughes or Greg Clark.
Oh, I'm going to go with the left fielder. I reckon Aaron Hill. Just that real rangy strength.
Okay.
Aaron Bremen.
Doesn't look like much, but I reckon he could give most blokes a good run for it.
I reckon Aaron Bremen leaning on a 45-degree angle wouldn't be able to push most over. Who would win? Hughesy, big Mitchy Hughes. He's a monster. Wouldn't get past him.
Nathan French.
I'll go the silverback, Benny Newton.
Aaron Bremen.
Not Aaron Bremen. Probably be me. Maybe Frenchie. He's kind of close second. Yourself?
I reckon Ben Newton would wall at the park with you.
Yeah, I reckon he would as well, actually.
Yeah, that man's just full of muscle.
Michael Brout, for sure.
Yeah, I reckon the cadet, Sean French. Big man these days. So.
Oh, I'd have to back Frenchie.
Frenchie, yeah. Maybe Zane.
Ben Newton.
Yeah.
Or Frenchie, actually. That's a tough one. Nathan French or Ben Newton?
Frenchie's is all looks. No, Newts.
Ben Newton.